How do you thicken a sauce without using flour or cornstarch? Let me show you a few tips and tricks. We also have a classic recipe on Diet Doctor for bechamel sauce. Now, bechamel is traditionally made with flour. This one has no flour in it, so someone's going to tell me that it's not really bechamel. Okay, it's a bechamel substitute, but it's super easy to make. Let me show you how to make it. We're gonna start just by putting everything in the pot, turning on some heat. So that's 7 ounces of cream cheese. Then I'm gonna pour in 1 3/4 cups of heavy cream. And I'm just gonna let it melt all together and simmer until it thickens. And I'll actually add a little bit of seasoning. We're gonna add some salt, I think a 1/2 teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. And the nutmeg is optional, but it just gives it a really nice, more traditional flavor to the bechamel. And you can use black pepper or use a little white pepper if you want to keep the sauce kind of looking a more traditional color. So I'm going to use a little bit of white pepper. What's nice about bechamel is it can take on many flavors. You can add cheese like blue cheese or feta to make a sauce with a bit of bite. You can add citrus flavors to it. You can add just a tablespoon of tomato paste to have a creamy tomato-based sauce. You can also add just some simple garlic for a garlic sauce, or your favorite herbs for a nice herb-based sauce. The flavor is really neutral, so it'll take on whatever flavor profile that you prefer. So now it's simmering and we'll let it go just a few minutes. You can see already it's getting thicker even just on the spoon. It will thicken a bit as it cools. So when the sauce is thick enough, you can taste it. Add whatever seasonings you want and then enjoy it.